Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends for beginners. League of Legends is a 5 versus 5 team-based strategy game where your primary objective is to destroy the enemy nexus. You'll choose from over 160 unique champions, each with distinct abilities and playstyles. Understanding the 5 main roles, top, jungle, mid, bot, and support, is crucial for team composition and strategy. Let's dive into the fundamentals to get you started on the Summoner's Rift. The game takes place on a map called Summoner's Rift, which is divided into 3 main lanes, top, mid, and bot, separated by a jungle. Each lane has turrets that protect the nexus. Minions, small computer-controlled units, continuously spawn and push down these lanes, attacking enemy units and structures. Your goal is to clear these minions, destroy enemy turrets, and advance towards the enemy base. Securing these objectives is vital for gaining map control. Every champion in League of Legends has 5 distinct abilities: a passive, 3 basic abilities, and 1 powerful ultimate ability. Learning how and when to use these skills effectively is key to success. You'll earn gold throughout the game by defeating minions, jungle monsters, and enemy champions. This gold is then spent in the in-game shop to purchase items, which significantly boost your champion's stats and provide unique effects, tailoring your playstyle. League of Legends is a team game, and working together is paramount. Beyond destroying turrets, there are crucial neutral objectives like the Dragon and Baron Nashor. Defeating these epic monsters grants powerful, temporary buffs to your entire team, providing significant advantages in combat and pushing. Effective communication with your teammates, using pings and chat, helps coordinate strategies and secure these vital objectives, paving the way to destroy the enemy nexus and claim victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.